Hey boys and girls, welcome to another at-home challenge. This one is called Upright. You will need a sock ball and a laundry basket. You will be doing an underhand toss or roll from about 8 to 10 feet away. If you can make the basket stand upright with the sock ball inside, you get 3 points. If you knock the basket upright but the ball stays outside, you get 1 point. We're going to see how many points we can get in 1 minute. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
3 points. One more point. I got 4 points. One more point. That's 5. Three more, that's 8. All right, 8 points. Let's see how many you can get.